it's yours and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you the sleek back low ponytail brought to you in partnership with Hergivenhair. Yes. Okay, we just talk about how beautiful this hair is. This is a 16-inch kinky ponytail and I am obsessed, you guys. Anyway, let's get straight into this tutorial. If you do enjoy this video, you know what to do. Give this video a massive thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know if you are a low ponytail kind of girl or you are a high ponytail kind of girl. I feel like I'm both. It depends on the mood. So like today I'm feeling sort of a date night, so I'm feeling the low ponytail. Otherwise, yeah, let me know down in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much and I hope you enjoy.
Hey there. It's y'all's channel.
So this drawstring ponytail came in this silk drawstring bag and inside was obviously the hair. Also inside came this leaflet with maintenance and hair care instructions, how to initially co-wash the hair and treat it, and then from there daily care, bedtime, morning prep, daily styling and refreshing tips, and of course important hair care tips. And then at the back, how to reduce shedding, and if you choose to color it, how to go about coloring the hair. The hair also came with extra hair clips. And lastly, this little note on the product description. So things like the texture, which is kinky, the length, which is 16-inch, the weight 100 grams, the hair color, which is a natural hair color. Now let's have a look at the hair before we go ahead and co-wash it. So the hair came in a natural color as mentioned before. It also came with pre-installed clips inside and of course the actual drawstring. So I started off by drenching the hair completely with just water. Thereafter, I applied my Girl Boss co-wash. I literally lathered this conditioner all over this hair just to make sure that my curl pops and to soften the hair. In fact, the minute I wet the hair was already so soft. I let the conditioner sit for about 5 minutes just to let it soak in the hair and make it extra soft. Thereafter, I rinsed out all the conditioner and then I applied my Girl Boss Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioner. I didn't want to go crazy with the leave-in conditioner. I just wanted to see what it would do to the curl pattern, and yeah, I just applied a tad bit. While my hair was air drying, I decided to gel up my hair. I started applying my gel from the back of my hair right up to the front. I actually separated my hair in 3 sections just to make it easier to work with. I decided on a middle part because I just feel like it suits me better when I've got sleek hair. I don't know, it just looks better. Once my hair was gelled up, I then tied it right at the back exactly where I wanted my ponytail to be. So this is not super low, but it's where I find it looks best. I then put on my damp doek just to make sure that my hair is super laid and that I don't have any major flyaways. Then I went ahead and put on my makeup. Once my ponytail was dry, I then popped it onto my hair. Thereafter, I pulled the drawstring tight as I wanted it and then running it around my ponytail and voila! Alrighty honeys, so this is the final look. I am absolutely loving it. If you guys want to get yourselves this ponytail or any Hergivenhair hair, go ahead and do it now. Do it between this week because obviously it's Black Friday. So your girl hooked you up with a link down below. They are running sales already, pre-sale sales as well as sales on Black Friday. So go ahead, go to the website and check out what you can get. It's not only this ponytail that's on sale, there are tons of things in there. I'll actually leave all the info down in the description box below. I love you guys so much and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a massive thumbs up and of course comment down below and let me know if you are a low ponytail kind of girl or if you are a high ponytail kind of gal. Let me know in the comment section. And of course, if you haven't subscribed already, why haven't you? Please click that subscribe button and join the Y'all's channel family. I love you guys so much and I hope you enjoyed this video. Mwah. Bye.